Hey everybody, what are you doing? Just hanging out? What are you doing, Hayden?
Hanging around.
What are you doing, Katie? Okay, what are you doing, Shayna? What are you doing, Boats? What are you doing, Dave?
Hey. Chilling.
What are you doing, Billy?
Staying with my brother.
What are you doing, Jordan? What are you doing, Holly? What are you doing, Nico? What are you doing, Marky Mark? Hey, Jordan. What are you doing, Terry? What are you doing, Shane Ryder? What are you doing, Trevor? What are you doing, Sean? What are you doing, Mikey?
Spinning around a pole.
What are you doing, Garrett? What are you doing, Dan? What are you doing, Fanny? What are you doing, Vinny? What are you doing, Trevor?
Sitting on an invisible bench.
What are you doing, Ryan?
Sitting on an invisible bench.